here is the old Go Kart frame, and of course it has none of the pieces on there because, as you can see right here, it's snapped and bent the crap out of it. So today's mission was to build this little thing. So I could only get 4-foot sections of the square tubing from Home Depot today, which is okay because now it's even smaller and maybe more compact. Honestly just now finished building it, so don't mind all the zip ties. But I know one thing is about to happen, is I'm gonna try to enjoy riding this little thing. Alright, so of course it lost about 16 inches, so it's definitely a lot more snug in here. It's no longer tall people friendly, but I have a sneaking suspicion it'll be a little bit quicker. Woo! It's also a lot rougher. Holy shit. Okay, the brakes definitely need some work. But it goes. Woo. Oh yeah, I need some brakes. As you can see, the chain fell off. Well, that's wonderful. And we're back. I tightened up all of the motor mounts. Of course, just kind of dumb of me to forget to do that, but hey, it is what it is. It's already on. Go ahead and let's get test number 2. Brakes definitely need some work. Yeah, the brakes need some work. And boogies though, I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah. Woo. A little bumpy. Oh my goodness. Well, the thing boogies. It boogies for sure and creeps forward a little bit. Go Kart version 2. So as you see, it is only that 4-foot frame. Of course, again, temporary seat. I had to zip tie all this to kind of keep the brake disc from moving because the brake is mounted on there. Today I extended the pedals out because it was a little too cramped. So now I got another 5-ish inches here. I've relocated the steering rack. Now it's underneath. And of course, this is, I believe, going to be the final form. The only thing I will do different is, of course, change out the seat. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and rip it around the yard a couple of times. Let's get it started. Alright, so I'm going to do one one slow run of the yard just to show you what the lines are. So you go through this front. Here's one corner. You got to go through here to avoid the divots. And then you'll come out over this way. Go around. And then go through here. And then we have one straightaway right here. So you got to go between the bricks. And then you just follow it around. And now I'm going to go take a couple of rips at full speed and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to have to take that branch down. Oh, it died. Alright, so I have my temporary seat fixed. It is more sturdy now. Hopefully, we will not have a rerun of the last run. Alrighty. Ow. That seat bolster is a little higher now. It actually holds me in a little better. That might be good. Alright. So again, we'll go through here, whip it through here, try not to hit that, come around this way, and of course, hold on, I gotta move this. I gotta move this zip tie.